Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to deactivate Facebook Messenger. So let's begin. First, to make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open Facebook Messenger application. In Messenger application, tap on these three lines at the top right corner, left corner. Here tap on settings. In settings, scroll down below and under the account, tap on account settings. Here again tap on personal information and then tap on manage account, and here tap on deactivate, and here you need to re-enter your password and then tap on continue, and this way you can deactivate your Facebook Messenger. But before you go, please like, share and subscribe.